yourself.
Okay, my name is Theo from Rensburg, Lindzter, and I own Learning Academy Worldwide. We provided the platform for a project in South Africa that we call Ubuntu. The idea is there to facilitate and support this project over the next year.
So go ahead, tell me about the project.
This project aims to combat some of the literacy problems in South Africa by using mobile phones as a support for teachers to use in the classrooms of grade 4 through to 7 learners at 2 schools in the northern part of South Africa. The idea is to come alongside the teachers' existing program and provide very specific modules that they can use to supplement the learning that happens in the class by using the different and multiple functions that you find in a mobile phone. Video, sound, text, the capacity to record audio sound. And then all of that documentation or documented work becomes the evidence that the student can submit to the teacher as artifacts for achieving the prescribed goals in whatever learning areas is occupied at that point by the teacher. Winning the award is a propelling component, because what we've done in South Africa is we have started setting in place the kind of foundations upon which the use of mobile phones can be more effective. Getting this kind of help from the MacArthur Foundation sort of propels this whole event and turns it into a new dynamic, gives it a new life, gives it a new dynamic, and so that's the first part it does. The second thing is it does, in a very, very unique way, provide attention, will give to what these principles work with. They have very little and they do a great deal, and so I think for one moment all that effort, doing a lot with very little, has been acknowledged in a very practical way. And that, I think, has the capacity to help them see the value of what they do and help others see the reward that can come in when you tenaciously and with great determination do a lot with the little you have. Our biggest hope and our dream for this project is that down the line we would have blazed the trail for South African schools in one particular area. Firstly, to show that technology can be used to come alongside learning and bridge these gaps that exist, particularly in rural South Africa. Also to make a statement that when we talk about democracy in South Africa, we have to deal with the need to get learners the access to the kind of technology that they need, and that it can happen, that there's hope, and that there's a very, very specific history that we would have been part of to show that it can happen, that we can make a difference, and in a practical way we did. So down the line, something maybe regionally and eventually nationally, where we are playing our role in giving greater access to the kind of learning that we think students should have and enjoy.